In this video, we will demonstrate how to make a paracord bracelet for Operation Gratitude. Please watch this entire video before making your first bracelet. Please begin by cutting your cord to 7 1/2 feet. Seal the ends with a lighter and squeeze each heated end with pliers. Gently twist one end clockwise until a loop is formed so that the short end is under the long end. Make a loop with the long end and put that one through the first loop from behind. Hold the loop and pull the short end gently. Put the short end through the loop from the back. Gently pull the knot together. Do not make the knot over tight. You should now have 1 1/2 to 2 inches of cord above the knot. You can adjust to get this by pushing the knot from the bottom or the top as needed. You can order a jig from Operation Gratitude, or you can make your own using the dimensions listed here. We also provide a PDF download of a template you can use to follow the pattern without a jig. Place the knot end of the cord between the two close set nails, then lace the cord down around the far nail and back up around the last nail, as shown. To remove the cord from the jig, place your finger under all three, pinch, and lift from the jig. You are now done with the jig. You now begin wrapping counterclockwise. Wrap the long end over the top towards you. You are wrapping towards the hand that is holding the looped cord. Your first 4 wraps should be very tight. Once the initial wraps are in place, begin to twirl by placing your index finger and thumb on the cord, then spin the bracelet. Continue this motion until you get to the knot. While spinning the bracelet, hold just tight enough to guide the wraps and to keep it all from coming apart. All of the cord must be used in the bracelet. You will need to make adjustments by pushing the wraps toward the loop end. It is very important that you do not lose the loop, as you will need to disassemble and begin again if you do. Repeat adjustments as needed until you have used all of the cord. Be sure to keep the center loop on the knot end exposed. Once you have wound all the cord, put the end through the loop. Gently pull. The end needs to be past the loop just far enough to stay in place. Holding the top loop, pull some wraps over the knot end loop so that it tightens into place. Gently move the rest of the wraps down until the top loop is fully exposed, about 1/2 inch. If the bracelet looks lumpy or bumpy, you can smooth it by rolling it on your work surface with your hands, or you can use the jig instead of your hands. This evens up the wraps and gives a nice smooth bracelet. To fasten the bracelet, put the tail and the knot through the loop. This completes the bracelet.